but this is kind of the issues that we deal with a lot. So next slide. We are going to see here the Eclipse ecosystem. You already know this is at the center, you'll have your Eclipse projects. This might be or not a specification project. In your case, I think all of the projects that are linked to the working group are specifications for now. Behind the projects, you'll have the committers. The committers actually own the project. They make the decisions, they make the plan, they solve the issues, they accept and engage contributors from the community. And behind the committers, as you know, there are industries, right? Companies, and they are linked, these projects and these committers, usually to an industry collaboration, which in this case is the data space working group. Behind that, from a different perspective, you'll have the top-level project management committee, the PMC, and the EMO, which is at this point Wayne and I. And when you see that we need to request EMO ED approval for something, for project creation or for restructuring or this kind of stuff, that is just we need our executive director's approval. So Mike is sometimes behind most of the decisions that we make. So committers write code, do the things, review the contributions from contributors, and work closely under the supervision of the PMC. Contributors are outside your project team, but they can submit merge pull requests, and you are in charge of accepting those or rejecting that. And that is actually really important as you work as committers. You need to interact with the community. So if you do get contributions, you need to reply and make sure that you are attending the community calls, let's say. The project leads. Project leads are supposed to be the primary liaison between the project team and the EMO. They are the first link in the project leadership chain. So if we find an issue with the project following the EDP, or if we need to contact the project by any reason, we will get in touch with the project leads first. So project leads will be the contact point of the project, either or both for EMO and for the PMC of the top-level projects. Project leads are supposed to supervise the release and the progress review processes. They are supposed to retire committers who are no longer active, and you don't have to. So you have a little bit of superpowers as a committer, but you are not a super committer, right? You are able to retire committers that are not behaving properly or that are just simply not active. And you need to make sure you'll be held accountable for how the project team is behaving.